Back to the Punch video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a snake game in Python. So let's get started. First, you need to import Turtle. So from Turtle, import everything. Now the next thing that you need to do is from random, import ran range. Now the last thing is from free games, import square and vector. Now we can start. So the first thing that you need to do is food is equal to food, which is equal to vector of 0, 0. Next thing, snake is equal to vector of 10 and 0. And now the last thing is game is equal to vector of 0 and -10. Now the next thing is define change. So let's just put the vector and after that define change x and y, and then a dot x is equal to x and a dot y is equal to y. And then after that, this is the first function. The second one is defined inside head. So I'm putting return -200 is lesser than head dot x lesser than 190 and -200 is lesser than head dot y is lesser than 190. So this is what we are going to be returning. So return -200 head dot x lesser than head dot 190, and then after that and -200 lesser than head dot y, which is lesser than 190. Now we have to define something new, which is called moves. Define moves. So head is equal to snake. Over here we need to put -1 in our list dot copy, and that's what we need. Then after that, head dot move in. So if not inside head or head in snake, then what we need to do is square. So square head dot x, head dot y, 9, and then after that red. So if not inside head or head and snake, square head dot x or head dot y, 9 red. Then after that, update, and then the last thing that we need to do for this thing is return. Then after that, go outside the if statement and then type snake dot append head. Snake dot append head. So if not inside update, return snake dot append head. Now after that, if head, so after that we need to put if head is equal to food, then what we need to do is print snake and then length of the snake. then after that, foo.x is equal to rand range -15 to 15 times 10 times 10, and then foo.y is the same thing. So I'm just going to be making it a little bit lesser of the range, so like 10 and like 12 and 12 times 10, and then rand range of -12, 12 times 10. And times 10, we can just put this to be 12 would be enough. Okay, so after we have that, the next thing we need to do is add else, comma, snake.pop 0. And then after that, go in front and type clear. Now after that, type in for body in snake. So we are in move. So for body in snake, what I'm going to do is square, wrong spelling, square, and then foo.x, foo.y, 9, and then green. So foo.y, and then after that, if we go to the top, we had the same thing for body and snake, but it was if not inside head or head in snake, we put it to red. That means the snake has died. But this is for the player is moving. So after we have our for body and snake, you add something else. So square 2.x 2.y 9, and then red. And oops, sorry, for the body and snake, I added something wrong. It should be body.x and body.y. So it should be body.x and body.y because it's for the snake. Sorry about that. And then after that, after the square, add a date. So date. Then add an on timer, move 100. And now we can go to the next line, and then hi turtle tracer is equal to false. Listen, then on key lambda, and then after that change 10 and 0, and for what? Right. So we have to put it to right, and then after that copy this 4 more times, 1, 2, 3, and we should have 4 at the end. And then instead of change 10 0, change -10 0 for left. For up, change 0 10, and then put up. And then after that, change 0 -10 for down. Now after that, we just need move and then done. So we have this much code. Will it work? Let's see. And okay, so let's see what is wrong. So what is happening is that it's going quite slow. We want it to move faster. So on timer, move 100. Update height turtle. Tracer is false. Oops. Sorry, I put this tracer equals to false. It should be tracer with this. So let's try it again. And yeah, now we have our snake game. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Please like, subscribe. Until next time, the font video time is out. So if you go behind, bye. See you in the next video.